Can you give some commentary?
Well, there's a police officer telling the occupier that they can't sleep on the street. No occupying. We are not allowed to sleep on God's green earth. And then of course you have the 1%er. We have our friend the 99%er over here getting his 1 cent. And you know what? It's funny. Is this guy taking his penny or is he handing it out? And that's what happens when you give a demand. Is they give you a penny. What's going on over here? I have no idea. That's just cool. Now we have vegetation over here. Check that out. Maybe this is something about how bourgeois always supports the art. And then there's like a good quote that art's main function is to always undermine the bourgeoisie. Maybe this is like our scholar who's undermining the class and the privilege, which is like always also sitting on top of it.
See that quote again? Art undermines.
Oh, there's a quote out there. I forgot how it goes. I think it's by Nathaniel West. It's that for the bourgeoisie to support the artist is like the what is it? Farmer raising rats for the granary, something like that. Because that art is always supposed to be undermining class, and yet it's always supported by that class. It's like the rich and the privileged are the ones who are the patrons of the arts, and yet art is supposed to promote humanity, often by exposing the atrocities of the rich and the privileged. So it's like a symbiotic and an antagonistic relationship at the same time. And that's pretty much the struggle of trying to be a sincere artist. Like what you were saying, is that you have to sell yourself, promote your work. You have to be a capitalist in this society, and yet you're also trying to be a purist as an artist and try to be an artist first. So
Interesting. It's that juxtaposition, conflict.
this is our friendly philanthropist right here, handing out his pennies. And here are the salt of the earth.
What about these guys?
Oh, they're the salt of the earth. Our drinkers and our merrymakers and our laughers and our, those are our singers and our just enjoying life. They don't have pennies, if you notice, they have drinks in their hands. It's a different philosophy on life. All of these little characters have a different outlook on life.